Hello everyone, I am Naman from class 7. Me and my classmate present a short activity of SST subject. Through this activity, you all will easily understand the main organ of government and their work very easily. So here we present our activity on topic main organ of the government.
Before this, we first came to know the meaning of constitution. What is an constitution? Is there anybody know?
Yeah, a constitution is a set of rules and regulations administration of a country. Do we have a constitution?
26th January, yes, our Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day to mark the date on which we get Constitution of India come into effect.
Great, we have a constitution, but we need someone to make the laws, don't we?
Okay, the laws are made. Don't we need someone to execute the laws?
All right, laws are made, executed good, but who will protect the law?
That's why our constitution have found organs of government. What are the organs of government? The organs of government are legislative, makes the law, executive, implements the law, judicial, interprets the law.
Me, the first organ of our government, the legislative. The responsibility of legislative is to make the law. It consists of the parliament. The Parliament of India is supreme legislative body of the Republic of India. The parliament composed is two categories, two houses. First, the Rajya Sabha, Council of States. Second, the Lok Sabha, Houses of the People.
Me, the second organ of the government, is the executive. The responsibility of the executive is to pass the laws made by legislature, and it consists of the president, the vice president, and cabinet of ministers.
May the third organ of the government is the judicial. The responsibility of judicial is to uphold the laws and administration and ensure its proper execution, and that they consist of the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court of India is the supreme judicial body of India and the highest Republic Court of India under the Constitution.
From all the discussion, or it's clear to everyone that why do we have this separate organ to perform all the tasks? When a single body perform all the tasks, it became accountable, or to known, it became autocratic. Hence, constitution is keen separating the power so they can avoid autocracy and work mutually for the welfare of the people. Thank you for watching this video. See you again on another learning video or activity. Until that, don't forget to like and share.